RCC lights.
And this group that is going there, we must be able to also let us see what is going on there. So for one thing, we're going to add it in our contract. Okay? And then we can use the drainage. Okay, so I want you to indicate the size of the drain that is there. So that we also see if it is stable. Is that okay? Yes. What we have seen is that we may likely build drainage on both sides and take the tent to after the flyover, and then build a relief cover to take the water from this side to here, and this one will discharge to them. So it's most likely we will keep our drainage by the sides and use it to also make our walkway. Is that okay? Use it to make our walkway. Yeah, so we put a median UJC to separate the two groups. But experienced contractors can do something here now.
The equipment are here.
Huh?
Our equipment. These are our
Nobody can do it now.
Yes, of course.
These are you have up to 3, 4, 5 excavators to this thing. Well, you can come here and put stone base here now. Plenty stone base. Then start to attack them. Attack them in the sense that you get water tanker. Draw out the water and then begin to dig there. As you dig it, you put your sharp sand. So you can start your permanent work here now. You understand? Get water tanker, draw out this thing, put stone base here. Let people be passing and be happy. You understand? If this maintenance work is not in the field, look at it. Because we are recruiting the field. Okay? This is very important. And I will advise you to go to Lagos, deep sea port, and see what high tech is doing with that.
We just received the video.
Yeah. And then also at our Papa destiny, there will be no stories. When you build this road, you will allow the sub-base vehicle will go on it for 30 days. You put your stone base, allow it. You are not losing, your name is important. Okay? And then when we are working, we create tankering. By digging, a shock-away pit. Okay? Then water will leave the road pavement and settle there. You can use your water tanker to draw it out. But if you attack this thing during the rain, you benefit. Okay? It's very unfortunate.
RCC, convoy of the minister. All right.